Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. One of the most important relationships that you can cultivate is a relationship and love for yourself. It is so important to tune in to how amazing you are and allow that high vibe energy of love to fill your body and really revitalize every cell of your being. So we're going to be doing a short meditation that allows us to really tap into the energy of self-love. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in any comfortable position. You can come to seated or in a chair or laying down, and gently close your eyes. We're just going to take the next moment to drop into this space. Right in this time, allowing ourselves to be very present. And bringing your awareness to your breath, gently entering and leaving the nose. Naturally flowing with the rise and fall of the chest. And bringing your awareness to the rhythm of your heartbeat. And just noticing the energy that flows from that rhythm out to every cell of your being. And as we feel that energy flowing right from the center point of our heart, let's start to tune in to how we feel in our own body. Just noticing how our skin feels. Our organs. Our hair and head. Just tuning in just how you feel, taking a moment to scan the body and the mind. And just notice how you are showing up in this space. And from that center point right at your heart, with that heart beating and shooting energy to every cell of your being, we're going to start visualizing the energy of love riding on top of that pumping, that heartbeat, that continuous rhythm that allows ourselves to come alive. Just allowing that visualization of love riding on the heartbeat, pumping that high vibrational state to every cell of your being. Really filling up the body and the mind with that sweet sensation of love. And then let's scan the body. We're going to run through the entire body, visualizing each part of ourselves and just really directing that energy of love and gratitude for being such an amazing being. So let's start with the very tips of our toes. Just bring your awareness to the tips of the toes and sending love all the way to the pinky toe, up through the big toe. So much effort goes on a daily basis with this area of the foot, and just really sending some love and gratitude that we can even move around on this planet. It's just so miraculous, how wonderful that we can allow that to happen. And moving that sense of love and gratitude to the entire foot, really showing appreciation for all that your feet do for you. Allowing you to connect and move throughout your day, riding that rhythm of love up to the calves and knees and thighs. Again, exactly how you are, just being so very grateful that we have these beautiful limbs in order for us to be able to go from one place to another. They serve so much purpose in our lives, bringing us together with others, with experience, just really accepting our whole entire legs. What a gift. And starting to move that energy of love up to the belly, the abdomen, the core. And just really feeling this heart wide open for this incredible system that we have within our being that allows us to digest and produce energy, that holds us upright, allows us to move. So very grateful that we have this well-functioning system within our body. And moving up to the heart and the lungs. This beautiful cycle of energy that's continuous without any effort from our own mind, allowing for fresh blood to pump through our system, for oxygen to receive for every cell of our being, and for love, that feeling of deep love to come straight from the center point of our heart. So very grateful for this opportunity to feel that energy of love. And moving to the arms and hands and fingers. How fortunate we are to have these beautiful arms to hug and hold. These hands to grip and maneuver, to sense the external world and bring it into our internal world, to shake hands, to dance. So very blessed with our beautiful, incredible arms. Moving up to the throat and mouth. Really noticing how fabulous it is to be able to vocalize, to say to someone, I love you. To say to yourself, I love you. To sing, to laugh, to eat. How incredible it is to use these things to engage with others and with the outside world. So very lucky. And moving up to your incredibly beautiful face, including the ears, to be able to hear the sound of laughter and singing and music. Your eyes to be able to see deep into someone's soul. Your cheeks and nose, to recall from your scent all the hidden journeys from the past. How fabulous it is to radiate and shine your beautiful face as a gift to this world. And then just noticing your hair, or the space where you may have hair. And just noticing how that feels in your body and how your hair brings characteristic to you. Bring some pizzazz to your style, to who you are and how you show up in this world. And just really embracing your entire being, how incredibly fabulous you are in this moment, in this exact body, in this time. And we're just going to bring our hands to heart center and bow your thinking mind. Just release your thinking mind to your feeling heart. Let everything go that you've ever thought negatively about yourself, and just really on the next few inhales, cultivating and drawing in that essence of self-love for the amazing, incredible being that you are. And relaxing your concentration, and we'll say together, palms face down against the heart, one on top of the other, just really feeling, embracing yourself. We'll say these words: I love you. Let's say it again. I love you. One more time. Really receiving that energy of those words. I love you. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mutha. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.